What's good, guys? So today we just got this new jet ski outside, and well, we're going on the lake. Brand new seadoo. We got this trailer with it too. Probably gonna have to. Alright. Look at that. That's me right there. So we got brand new. So right here is our little area. I think I'm gonna like throw anything in it, but the only bad thing is it's not like completely waterproof, like water resistant. Water can still leak in. But right here is where the water can most definitely not get through it. Right in here. It's our dry box. So I'll probably store my phone in there, right in between these two things. So yeah, that's nice. I think I got a charging port right here. Is that a charging port? Oh no. Look at that. And then I'm gonna put all my GoPro stuff in here. Got this new life jacket. I'm gonna be throwing this thing on. Seadoo, just like that. I wish I got a purple one. Dad!
What?
Do I bring a fishing pole or not?
You have one on there, buddy.
Oh yeah, you're right. That's me, guys. Ready? Let's add some hair. Oh, we gotta make a head. Body, I'm really skinny, so I have a big head. Boom, boom. Let's add some long hair. And then let's make my arms a little bit longer. These have long legs and long arms. And let's just add some texture.
Sit, sit, sit. Get it. Get it. Oh.
Boom. Let's add some eyebrows.
You get him in the truck?
Yeah. Just give him a smile.
Good luck.
Teeth. And we're good. Oh, thanks, Dad. Yeah, gotcha. See that, Dad?
Oh, wow.
I jumped over the bush and jumped on him. I didn't jump on him like Cashin though. Get it.
How big is that door?
Hey bud, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. No. Good boy. See, wasn't that bad. See, I gotta get in the sweat. Start it! Over here. Ow. That didn't really hurt. I don't know why I said ow. It didn't hurt at all. Look at it. It's right there. Yeah, they raise the water a lot. still not up all the way though. Look at it. It's beautiful. There's just a bunch of abandoned docks. Did you almost fall?
What?
Did you almost fall just now? Oh crap. I'm trying to make it to over here. I fished off of it before, but I didn't catch anything. What? You can't get up? You got it!
I know, just that my sandal fell.
Oh, it did? Oh, I gotta take a whiz. Down there. Yeah, let's see if we can spot a fish first. Just a tiny one. I want to go for a swim. Let's... Oh.
You ready?
Oh. 3,
Go.
2.
Whoa!
Oh, I got this rock.
Got to just shot when I jump off. Go.
Alright, bet guys, so we are on the jet ski right now. I'm at like 3%.